good.
Yes,
Good.
yes.
Good. That's
Yes.
good. That's good. That's good. That's really good. What about Bintu? Do you use your drive?
Yes, sir, I use it. I use it with Mr. Baji, our AIS teacher.
Oh,
AIS lecturer, sorry.
okay. Excellent. Excellent. Good. 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 Yes. So a lot of people are into it now. So it's really important because you can save a lot of stuff there. Excellent. Okay. So when you look at your Google Drive, you see two main parts. This area, the right side, and then the left side. The left side, you only see the menus. The right side is where you see your files. So you have different files. Like as you can see, this one here, this was the recording of our today's class. I think this is the first or the second one. Okay, so this is a video. When you look at this, this is like a PowerPoint one. Okay, then when you look at this, this is like how to call it, a Google Sheet file with this icon. Can you see? Then when you look at this, this is a folder. Okay, and you go down, you have different forms of files that you could keep here. So basically, if you have any file that can be accepted using a computer, they can all be here. Okay, so they can all be here. Okay, so you save them, they'll appear here. And then these are the menus that are used in order to operate them. So when you look at the bottom, you will see your storage, what you have used so far. If you are using a basic Google account, it will say, let's say, 3.5 used out of what is available. I don't know about your own, but for us, I think it might be the same. For us, it's limitless. So that's why in mine, it says what 26.23 GB used. It does not limit me anything. What about you? At the bottom, what do you have there?
Mr. Fufuna, me, I got 334.2 megabytes used.
Okay, so but it does not limit you. So that means you can store anything there.
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. So this is a very good one. In fact, if I were you, even after graduating, use it, because the UTG one, the one they provide to us, is limitless. You can put anything there up to any level. I don't know whether when you graduate they will take it away from you. I don't know, but it's very good. Unlike if you open your private Gmail, if you open for those of you that are opening their own private Gmail, it will say what you have used out of what is available. So, and what is available for private Gmail users is usually what? 15 gigabytes. Is there anyone using his or her private Gmail?
Yes, I am using my private Gmail. What is 15 gigabytes? That is there. Like
okay,
the limitation.
Limitation, exactly. So that is it. But you know, with the corporate one, UTG one, what they're using is the corporate one. It doesn't have any limit. Okay, so when you go up, then you have the trash. If you delete any file, it comes into the trash. So mind you, if you don't want people to see what is in your trash, once you delete anything, try and empty the trash. Very important. Okay, at the moment, my trash is empty. Okay, so the star is, these are files that you star, meaning you consider them to be important, and recent. Okay, the recent. Once you click on recent, this will be the recent files that you have saved. You can see here. Then the shared with me. For example, if I share my file with you, when you click your shared with me, you will see those files. Okay, so like here, once I click my shared with me, these are the files that have been shared with me. Okay, you see there are loads of them from students, mostly. Then here, once you click on my drive, naturally that will take you back to where it was, and then priority files. Then if you want to create new file, you click on new. Okay, not only new file, you could create a new folder from here. Okay, once you select folder, once you select file upload, the file upload will allow you to upload a file into your drive. Okay, it's advisable to do that, especially if you have important files on your computer that you want to upload. Okay, then you have folder upload, you could upload folders as well. You know, folders are a collection of files, isn't it? Okay, folders are a collection of files. If you have files that relates to the same subject, you could put them in a folder. For example, if you work in an accounting department, you have something to do with management accounting, you have something to do with financial accounting. You could have a folder for management accounting, you have a folder for financial accounting. So you upload your folders from here. Right. So in case you want to open new files, this one is a Google Docs file, meaning it's an equivalent of a Word document. The Google Sheet file, an equivalent of an Excel spreadsheet file. Slides is PowerPoint, similar, Google Forms, and then you could do more and more. So if you want to create any file, you can be able to do it here. Okay, so it's so flexible. Okay, so what we're going to do is, we know how these things function. So we're going to go and click on Google Sheet, and then we create a Google Sheet. So what we're going to do is now, please, we're going to have a break for Salat. It's almost Maghrib time. So we're going to have a break for about 10 minutes. So we come back, it's almost 6:45 now. So we come back at, so it's about 6:35 now. So we come back at 6:45. Okay, by 6:45, I'm going to resume. Okay, I'm going to resume so that we can go on for maybe another 30 minutes, then we stop. Is that agreeable by everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's break for 10 minutes for those who want to break.
Yes, sir.
Break.